class 9.
And I'm the Mara from class 9.
Today we are here as the host of this particular program.
अब हामी यसै गरी प्रमुख अतिथिका रूपमा यसै विद्यालयको व्यवस्थापन समितिका अध्यक्ष विद्यालय राज
यसै गरी विद्यालयका प्रधानाध्यापक उदित पौडेलज्यूलाई मञ्चमा आई आफ्नो
लाइनमा आइदिनु होला कक्षा 10 का विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू। त्यसै गरी गुराँस पुण्यवती र साइलिङलाई पनि म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। त्यसै गरी कृतिका गुरुङ अगाडि आइदिनु हुनको लागि म हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछु। त्यसै गरी प्रिजल थापा अगाडि आइदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी सन्देश कुमार अगाडि आइदिनु होला। दलबहादुर परियार गणेश पनि आइदिनु होला। सुजन श्रेष्ठ प्लिज। त्यसै गरी सागर श्रेष्ठ, त्यसै गरेर विकास आले, प्रिजम थापा, किस्मा श्रेष्ठ, प्रजल गौरे, श्रीयंश तिवारी, प्रवीण थापा, सुशान्त राणा, विजन राणा, त्यस्तै गरेर समीर श्रेष्ठ, त्यस्तै गरेर सागर थापा, सुमन गौरे प्लिज, सुमन शाह प्लिज। त्यसै गरी कक्षा 10 मा अध्ययनरत प्रशंसा बहिनीलाई पनि लाइनमा बसे खादा। त्यस्तै गरेर कृनिसा, कुञ्जल मल्ल सबैजना लाइनमा बसिदिनु होला।
धन्यवाद कार्यक्रम सञ्चालिकाज्यू, यसै विद्यालयका प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, सहप्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, सम्पूर्ण शिक्षक शिक्षिका, कक्षा 10 मा अध्ययनरत दाजु दिदी र मेरा प्यारा साथीभाइहरूमा म कक्षा 9 मा अध्ययनरत छात्रा समीक्षा अधिकारीको तर्फबाट हार्दिक नमस्कार। आजको यस विशेष र महत्त्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रममा यहाँहरू सबैलाई कक्षा 9 र मेरो व्यक्तिगत तर्फबाट हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौ। विशेष गरी आजको मुख्य पात्र एसी दिन लाग्नुभएका दाइ दिदीहरूलाई हार्दिक स्वागत तथा सम्मान व्यक्त गर्दछौ। आजको दिन खुसी र भावनाले भरिएको दिन हो। हामी एकातिर हजुरहरूको उज्जवल
Principal sir, dear colleagues and my lovely students. Standing here today, I feel both proud and emotional. It feels like yesterday you were learning your first lesson, and today you are ready to step into the new chapter of your life. As your teacher, I would like to sincerely express to you that there may have been times when we had to correct you, be strict, or even discipline you. Please understand that every such actions was taken with your best interest at heart and with the intention of making you responsible and capable individuals. If any of those actions cause you discomfort, I kindly request you not to hold them in your...
Yeah, my heart is full of memories, gratitude and a little of fear too. Because today we are not just saying goodbye to our class, we are saying goodbye to a whole chapter of our life. This classroom, these benches, these corridors, they are...
Thank you for handovering me this mic. A very warm good afternoon to everyone. As I stand here, surrounded by familiar faces and cherished friends, my heart is filled with a bittersweet mix of emotions.
This farewell marks the end of incredible chapter in my life.
Special guest, our school president, Mr. Dipendra Rai, my dear colleagues, and today's special person, our lovely students of grade 10 and the organizer of today's program, grade 9. A warm good evening and namaste to you all. Today is a farewell which is organized by class 10, co-hosted by school management committee and the school staff. In one sense, we are very happy because our kids, after the hard work of 13 years, they are on the gate of iron fence. In one sense, we are very sad because we have to say bye to our students, but it is not a goodbye to you all. So, dear students, at the time of teaching, at the time of guiding you, as a part of school management, as a person, I might have done some mistakes, knowingly, unknowingly. I might have hurt you, but as I know, it's all my duty, it's all the duty of Shanti Varsha family, as a representative of the school management committee, as a school principal. If there were any mistakes, I would like to say sorry on behalf of the school and from my personal side. Dear children, no doubt, your hard work, obviously you will get the excellent result as a return of your hard work. Don't worry, don't be disappointed, be excited, be courageous, be bold, and go ahead. Definitely you will achieve the achievement that we have taught to you. Your parents, they believe a lot to us. You believe to us, and we believe to you as well as with the God. That's why I think this year also we will flourish our name and fame of Shanti Varsha again in the Kannauj districts with the external results. For that, I would like to request all my students, my teachers, please give them a round of applause. Shanti Varsha, it has a good name and fame in Damoli. Not only in Damoli, it has a good name and fame over in Nepal. Likewise, you children, you will be the one more bricks of the pillar. You will add a more history in the life of Shanti Varsha. So, I don't want to take any long time, but I would like to say, I already said, it is a bye to you, it is not a goodbye to you all. So, the school gate is always open for you. You have to come to school, you share your experience, your feelings, your emotions for the betterment of the school. So always, we are ready to help you, and I hope you are ready to help your junior brothers and sisters as a part of the Shanti Varsha family. Finally, I would like to say all the best and the best wishes for your upcoming SE examination. So children, still you have time. Try your best, give your best, but don't be disappointed. Be bold, go ahead. We are always with you, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Thank you, namaste, and goodbye.
धन्यवाद उद्घोषका नानीलाई। आजको यस शान्ति वर्ष अङ्ग्रेजी माविको यो कक्षा 10 का विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूको फेयरवेल एन्ड बेस्ट विशेष प्रोग्राममा अध्यक्षता गरिरहेका अध्यक्षज्यू, यस विद्यालयका प्रिन्सिपलज्यू, भाइस प्रिन्सिपलज्यू, शिक्षक शिक्षिकाज्यूहरू र आजको यस फेयरवेल प्रोग्राममा विशेष आकर्षणका केन्द्र हाम्रा 10 कक्षाका विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू र सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, यो सर्वप्रथम त म केही कार्यक्रममा आउन ढिलो भएको सर्वप्रथम क्षमा प्रार्थी छु। र आज अघि आफ्नो भनाइको सन्दर्भमा सञ्जु मिसले त्यसै गरी हाम्रो यस विद्यालयको प्रिन्सिपल सरले जुन भनाइहरू राख्नु भएको छ एकदमै सान्दर्भिक पनि छन् र तपाईँहरू यो विद्यालयको जुन इक्जाममा सहभागी हुँदै हुनुहुन्छ नआत्तिकन धैर्यतापूर्वक इक्जाम दिनुहोला र उहाँहरूले सर मिसहरूले भनेका टिप्सहरूलाई पक्कै पनि फलो गर्नुहोला र आगामी दिनहरूमा पनि म एउटा कुरा यो विद्यालयको व्यवस्थापन समितिको एउटा अध्यक्षको हैसियतले हजुरहरूलाई के भन्न चाहन्छु भने कहिलेकाहीँ सुनिने गरिन्छ कि खै विद्यालयले हामीलाई बोलाउँदा पनि बोलाउँदैन वास्ताले गर्दैन। पहिला यहाँका एलुमिनी ग्रुपहरूको कता कता त्यस्ता पनि सुनिने गर्छ। तर कहिले हजुरहरूलाई म के अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु भने त्यो अब अभिभावकले आफ्ना छोरा
And our respected principal sir, Udit Paudel, to come on the stage.
Thank you, sir.
Request Kwijala Adhikari from class 10 to hand over the gift to our sir. Now, I would like to request